Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or icon for mode. So I think I'd like to start with the way to basically turn on and off this mode quickly, and after that I'll show you how to customize it. So firstly we have to unroll the top bar, and let's take a look at this kind of option section with the icons, and all we have to do is to find the night light option, which is right here. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then this mode is totally for you. Of course you can turn it off the same way, so this is the way to manage this option quickly. And if you want to enter the settings, you can tap on it and hold it, and you will be transferred to the proper section. However, I'd like to show you the full path of how to get into the settings. So let's open the settings firstly, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find the display. Now let's scroll down and find the night light. As you can see, you can turn it on here also, so let's do it, because thanks to this we will be able to customize it and see the changes. And let's tap on the night light. Right here we've got the intensity, and by using this switcher we can set it on kind of low or cool option, so the mode is not really that visible as it was, or by going to the right we can make it much warmer. It's really intense. It's up to you, of course, which option you'd like to use, and we can schedule that option. So the option none means that you will have to turn on and off this option manually. You can turn it on at custom time, which simply means that you can pick the start and the end time. So from this clock simply pick which one you want to, and as you can see the screen immediately turned yellowish. It is because we are between the start and the end time. We can also set from sunset to sunrise, and it simply means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so it's up to you which option you'd like to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.